So hey, it's Alexandra Saunders with Event and Retail here in Roanoke, and behind us we're actually working on a Habitat for Humanity build, where we actually get to go out into our local community and be able to give back in a way that is going to be long lasting in the community for years to come.
It's a great thing for people to volunteer with Habitat. It's really important for our mission, for helping our neighbors in our community. I'm Trevor Lofton. I'm with Habitat for Humanity in the Roanoke Valley. I'm currently the site coordinator. And so what I do is work with volunteers, lead volunteers on building houses, getting sites ready, just to house families in the Roanoke area.
It's really rewarding. I'm glad that I work for a company that lets us teach stuff like this. I'm using the circular saw to go ahead and cut down these spacers to help complete the porch for this house we're building for Habitat for Humanity.
We're working on the front porch, pretty much. We're getting this stabilized.
Coming together to do this and building a house isn't cheap, but donating our time and donating our efforts is a good way to make up for that cost.
And so it's National Volunteer Week, and so we're really excited to be able to get out here and give back to the community in this way.
Volunteer!